are, you are. What a wonderful Pussy you are. Pussy said to the owl, you elegant fowl, how charming this sweet we see. Oh, let us be married, so long we have time. But what shall we do for a ring? So we took it away, and were married next day to the land where the palm tree grows. And there on the wood, a piggy stood, with a ring at the end of his nose. His nose, with a ring at the end of his nose. Dear pig, are you willing to sell for 1 shilling your own? Piggy said, I will. So they took it away and were married next day. By the turkey who lives on the hill, they dined on mince and slices of twigs, which they ate on a runcible soup. And hand in hand, at the edge of the sand, they danced by the light of the moon. The moon, they danced by the light of the moon.